Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata not opening on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to go on to your web browser and then I'm going to show you Intel first. Afterwards I'm going to show you AMD and NVIDIA. You're going to go on to intel.com here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto support and then click download center. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto graphics. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc GPU drivers on your computer. So just search for your graphics card here and then download the drivers. I'm going to show you AMD now. Go on to AMD.com, click resources and support and then drivers. Scroll down and click graphics, Radeon RX, and then select your graphics card series along with the model. Click submit and select your operating system and download AMD Adrenalin here. And now you're going to go on to NVIDIA.com. Click drivers. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. Afterwards, click find. It will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to go ahead and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam, you're going to right click on Pragmata, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity your game files on Pragmata. Once you do that, your game's files should be verified. And now I'll show you two more fixes. They are for AMD and NVIDIA only. So I'm going to show you AMD first. You're going to right click on your desktop, click AMD Adrenalin here, go into performance and then go into tuning. And then make sure this automatic tuning is set to the default. Do not have any overclocks or underclocks running on your graphics card. Set it to default. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel here. And here what you're going to do is you're going to go into help here and then you're going to go into debug mode. You're going to make sure debug mode is turned on. So what this setting does is it resets your overclocks or underclocks that you may have running on your graphics card and sets your graphics card settings to the factory settings. Now you can go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face it not opening anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.